What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Rowan, and if you've been here before, you probably already know me, but you might not know my name, so hello. Before we get into the video, one thing that I've crocheted recently that I love is this crochet net, and if you want the pattern to the thing to it, I will leave it down in the description box below. You are going to know a couple new stitches, but that's okay. In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can hold your yarn to make sure that it's not flying all over the place while you're crocheting. If you don't really have a problem with it and you don't really care, that's all good. But if you're just kind of having a struggle with just keeping the yarn next to you so you don't have to keep moving around, because honestly, crocheting is a very nice sitting down, relaxing while watching a movie kind of hobby. And yeah, I just want to show you guys some ways that you can just kind of keep your yarn next to you. So this first way, which is probably my favorite way, is like the pot, or even you could get like a big bowl and just put a binder clip on it, and it allows your yarn to be able to move around freely, but it'll stay in the bowl, and you can keep it directly through the binder clip to make sure it stays where it should be. You can do it without the binder clip as well, but I just prefer to do it with the binder clip. Then the next way is, honestly, if you just have a cart like I do where it has like the lines in the middle, you could just keep your yarn there unless it's fully filled up. Mine is kind of fully filled up, but yeah, you could totally do that. And another way is to use a bog bag. So one of these bags, put your yarn in it and then pull it through one of the holes, and it'll keep it in that giant lovely space, and boom. I actually do have one of those bog bags, but it has all of my yarn stashed in it right now. So this is editing Rowan, by the way, and I was going to look online just for like a picture of a bog bag instead of showing you my yarn filled bog bag. Almost $90. I didn't realize that because the one that I have is a gift to me, but don't buy a bog bag just to hold your crochet yarn. There's so many cheaper options. And then the third way, I know this is kind of really nice and quick, but I just want to give you a couple of ideas, is to use a toilet paper roll. You can use a cylindrical one, or you can use kind of the ones that I have from like the dollar store that are literally flat. The one con about this one is that it doesn't spin, so it might have a little bit of trouble if it like gets caught around it. I don't really know. I haven't tried it out a bunch, but I have heard of people that really like to use that way. So yeah, I would definitely suggest the bowl one as your go-to method, but let me know in the comments down below which one works the best for you, and like some other ones, and I could do a part to this video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you come back next time. Happy crafting!